Just let your beauty shine through. Let it shine through. You are the rain. Hi you guys, it's me NeeCJae. Today I want to come to you with a natural hair conditioner that's made from only natural ingredients that can help with loss of hair, fine hair, bald spot, hair breakage, and more. If this sounds like something that you're interested in, keep on watching. Lately, I've gotten a lot of compliments on my hair, and a lot of you all that have been with me for so long notice the thickness of my hair and just how my hair growth in general. For a few of you that asked, I said that this video was coming, and here it is. I have fine, low porosity hair, and as I've gotten older, my hair was thinning. It was beginning to shed more than normal, in my opinion, and I saw that, the parts, when your hair is thinning, your parts are really wide because your hair is thinning. It was thinning. I had a bald spot in the back. Now this bald spot, it was just where my hair was not growing. It was short. I burned it out chemically before I even started this channel. My edges were really thin. No matter what I did, my hair was still thinning, it was still shedding, and it was just really breaking. And and my hair would not seem like it would not grow right in this middle part, right up in here, so it would grow all around, but this little part right in here would not. I don't care what I tried and what I did. I eat well, I eat healthy, and I drink lots of water, but it was not growing. So one of my friends, and I also looked up some products on Google search, and I saw some things online, but one of my friends, she's Indian, and she told me, look, this is what we do with our hair. This is like an Indian secret or a little secret that we do, she was telling me. And I was like, okay. And one of my other friends, she bought me some, what is it called? Mustard oil. And it was saying, one of her friends is from another ethnic group, and she was telling her that they use this, that type of oil on their hair as a conditioner and rinse it out. So what I was told to do, and I'm going to show you, is use an onion and aloe vera and some oil. You can use mustard oil or olive oil or coconut oil, okay? So you mix these products together and you put it on your hair. And I'm going to show you exactly the steps. I started doing it every 2 weeks because I really wanted to see the hair growth, or if it would actually grow my hair in this area and around the sides. So let me tell you, within a week's time, I noticed a big difference. A great big difference, okay? I did it the next 2 weeks, and I noticed more hair growth. It seems like my hair was getting thicker in just a week's time, in just 2 weeks or 3 weeks time, So I was like, hey, this is really something to this, okay? I do have a disclaimer. I'm showing you products that work for my hair and hope that work for you. Again, my hair is fine. I have low porosity hair, and it was thinning, okay? So that is something that was big to me, because you never want your hair, I don't care if it's not really long down my back, you still want thick hair. That was my main thing. I really wasn't interested in length. I mean, if it grew, that's fine. I really wanted the thickness back, because if your hair is really thin and fine, it looks shorter and thinner. You really cannot do anything with it. But when it's thick and short, or thick, I wanted thickness. That's what I was going for. Thicker hair, thicker, healthier hair, okay? So I started doing this, and I would do it every other week, and then I stopped doing it every other week and started doing once a month. Now that is the pros. The pros, I started seeing growth. I started seeing my hair thicken, and you all started seeing it grow and thicken. That's what you all was saying. Oh my goodness, your hair is really getting thick. Oh my God, I can see growth in your hair. Your hair looks longer. Your hair looks healthier. And I was like, wow, this is really working. Now the cons is that your hair does smell a little oniony. You smell like a cheeseburger. You smell like a White Castle, a burger with onions. That's what I say. However, I believe it's you, because it's on your head, and you can wash it out, but you still have that scent I believe you smell it because my mom couldn't smell it on me or no one else. But you can smell it, I guess, because it's your head, you know. So I said all that to say now, if you are allergic to sulfur, okay, this may not be for you because using red onions, it contains more sulfur properties than regular onions, okay? So that may be a con for you, so you may not want to use that. My mom cannot use this because she is very definitely allergic to sulfur. She cannot have sulfur in anything. So I could not do this with her at all, but she noticed my hair. Also, my husband, I'm gonna have him actually come and tell you about it at the end of this video, because he's older than me. He's like 8 years older than me, and he was experienced shedding, like a bald spot right in his hair because he put some color in it and it broke his hair. It broke it off really bad. And that was some of the damage also I had when I used color, like the permanent color. Lately I've been noticing it breaks my hair, so I stopped using permanent color and I use the temporary color because it does break my hair off. So now, without using my color, and I can blow my hair out, I can flat iron it as soon as I do it for about a couple of weeks or whatever. When I go back to my natural look, I just apply that onion mixture that I'm going to show you. It's so potent and it's so wonderful. I am pretty sure that you will see results within that first or second week. I guarantee, because my husband did as well. His hair is a totally different texture than mine, and he also experienced growth within a week. He was like, oh my goodness. And so yeah, that bald spot that just happened in his hair has almost bringing itself back. Thicker hair, and it's replenishing that bald spot. It's not even been a month yet, and his hair has grown back to the healthy hair right in the middle. For some reason, I don't know what this middle part is. I don't have experience really thinning in the hair right here in the middle of my hair, but not lately since I've been doing this. And now I just may do it once a month, sometimes every other month. Just depends. I'm telling you, I like the way my hair is, even my size. Now, it's taking a little bit of time because I got a little color in it right now. Had some color that's still rinsing out, but even my size, my edges has grown tremendously. And I take it and I rub it on my head, I rub it throughout my hair, on my scalp. The thing that you want to do is not the hair that you're really trying to get it on, it's the scalp, and you're rubber massaging, getting that blood flow circulation in your hair. That helps with hair production as well on your head. So you're really trying to put this on the scalp because your hair grows from your scalp. So you really want to make sure you really saturate your hair with this conditioner. That's what I'm going to call it. It's a conditioning treatment. After that, then you can apply it to the ends of your hair because it also helps with split ends. I was so thankful for my friend that she showed me this. And then I started looking on YouTube and I saw some other people that have tried this recipe, and I was like, wow, this is really true. So anyway, without further ado, let me show you this mixture. so that is basically what I do for my hair, and I'm telling you, it has really helped my hair tremendously. I wanted to bring this to you because if you are having these issues, especially with dealing with menopause, you can have hair loss dealing with that as well. And this, I promise you, will work. Well, it worked for me. It worked for me and it worked for my husband. Anyway, I'm going to let my husband tell you a little bit about his experience. He does not want to talk. Anyway, right back here, let me see if I can focus in, is where he had the breakage. Now, it's been about a month, right?
Yeah.
And it has really grown within that month time. I mean, it was like really, really short back here, but it has grown tremendously. You was a little skeptical at first, right?
A little.
The pros are, it really does grow, but what's the con in this?
Just the smell of the stuff.
Exactly.
Washing out, you smell like a cheeseburger.
Onion with onions, yeah, but I think because right now, we did it not too long ago, I don't think you smell it. You smell it because it's on your hair, but other people I don't believe can smell it. So, what do you think?
Probably not.
Anyway. Okay, so yeah, that's why I really wanted him to tell a little bit about his experience with it, because now he wants me to do this to his hair at least once a month. His hair has a totally different texture than mine. So anyway, I just wanted to bring this to you. I hope you all try it. If this works for you, please let me know. Share this video for anyone that you feel like has issues with breakage or damaged hair. I'm telling you, for some reason, this restores your hair, and within a month's time, you will see a big difference, like overall. Now, I saw results in the first week, but I'm saying over the period of 4 weeks, 1 month, you will see a big difference. So anyway, guys, I hope this video was helpful and interesting to you. If it was, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel on the way out if you haven't done so already, and thank you so very much for just taking time out to watch this video. I greatly appreciate it. Peace and love until next time. Bye.